Hey there, you're here at Ponce Metals Inc. and today we are doing our monthly calibration and standard checks throughout the plant. And essentially we perform these quality controlled standards and checklists to remain QS 9000 compliant. So essentially what that means is that we are taking our micrometers, we're measuring our linear table, we're using standards on both of those instruments to ensure the precision and accuracy of all of the steel that we measure throughout the plant. This is just to ensure that every product that you get is absolutely accurate. We use these standards for calibration reference, and we have caliper checks and tape measure checks as well. Our standards that we use throughout the industry are from 1/10 of an inch, 1/2 inch, 1 inch, 3 inch, 6 inch, 15 inches, 20, and 40. So you'll see those throughout this video to kind of get an idea of those monthly checks that we do. So there are 4 things that we are checking today. It would be our micrometers. So each individual in the plant has one, carries one with them to check things on a handheld level. We have our linear table check, which we use our standards on as well to measure all of the metal that is beginning of a coil run or at the end. We also have our calipers, which we use our standards to measure those devices as well, and our measuring tapes. So of course, the most accurate, we're going to use our micrometers and our linear table. Right in front of me, we have a bunch of rods and tools and measuring devices. What's really fascinating about these standards is that these little guys are the most important thing to actually ensure the accuracy of our metal gauges. This equipment, the micrometer, is used on the floor and goes through monthly checks to ensure that every single employee that has these in hand is, in fact, accurate. Our tolerance, it's within tolerance. Right, so now we're on to our caliper check. What I have right here in front of me is a 40-inch caliper, so I am using our caliper tool to make sure that this is within tolerance. So as you can see, that is 40 inches, dead on accurate. We love seeing that. All right, so now we're on to our 20-inch caliper, dead on, within tolerance. So what we do is we record this, we make sure that it is accurate. If it's not, we'll recalibrate the equipment, we'll throw it out, we'll get a new one, we'll do whatever we have to do to make sure that those specifications are withheld every single month with every single product. Okay, so what you've just seen are Ponce Metals Inc.'s quality control checks that we do every single month to ensure that all of our measuring devices and tools are precise every single time. If you like this video, if you're on social media, go ahead and like it, share it, and if you need an estimate from Ponce Metals Inc., go ahead and click the button below and stay tuned for more educational content.